Applying a coupon on Temu is a straightforward process that can help you save money on your purchases. To start, make sure you have a Temu account and are logged in. Browse through the website and select the items you want to purchase. Then add them to your cart. Once you have added all the items to your cart, click on the cart icon to view your selected products. On the cart page, you will see a summary of your order, including the total cost and any applicable discounts. Look for the coupon code field, usually located below the product list or in the order summary section. If you have a coupon code, enter it in the designated field and click the Apply button. The discount will be deducted from your total order cost, and you will see the updated price. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of the coupon, as some may have specific requirements or restrictions. If you do not have a coupon code, you can check the Temu website for available promotions or sign up for their newsletter to receive exclusive discounts. You can also check the product page for any available coupons or discounts. After applying the coupon, review your order to ensure everything is correct, including the products, quantities, and prices. If you need to make any changes, you can do so before proceeding to checkout. Finally, click the checkout button to complete your purchase. On the checkout page, you will be asked to provide shipping and payment information. Make sure to review your order one last time before submitting your payment. By following these steps, you can easily apply a coupon on Temu and enjoy discounts on your purchases. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the coupon and check for any available promotions to maximize your savings.